I'm Dr. John Ross, founder and president of Maintenance Innovators Incorporated, inviting you to come out and join me for a planning and scheduling course I'll be teaching for the University of Wisconsin as part of their interdisciplinary professional program in their College of Engineering. I teach this course as kind of like a workshop where we're actually using some tools and we're actually planning and scheduling. In fact, one of the tools we're going to use is a unique principle that I invented many years ago on how to use equipment reliability to determine when we should actually schedule equipment down to do some sort of maintenance activity. Look, if you're tired of talking about taking your planning and scheduling to the next level, this is the course for you. If you don't have any planning and scheduling, this is the course for you. I hope you'll come out and see me and we can learn together. I think you'll find this to be a very fascinating program.